TipLearns.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipLearns. It is week 6 of my postgraduate degree now, and this week we're heading off to London to visit the Design Museum. Let's go! Crappy kerning at the Design Museum. Design Museum. It's really cool actually, a lot cooler than I was thinking it might be. There's an entire history of production design. There's a lot of focus on product design here, which is really cool, seeing how things have iterated throughout the years and how wide decisions were made about those. And some really cool bits about 3D printing and how people have been 3D printing clothes. Somebody created a smartphone that was part 3D printed and was not harmful to the environment at all, which is really cool and clever.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.